Hello everyone, welcome to my first video on this channel, and what we are going to be doing is showing you how to make a game in Notepad++. You can either use Notepad or Notepad++. Either one works fine. And just a quick note, sorry if the audio goes out of sync a bit, and please watch this video in 720p in the large player to be able to see the text clearly. So, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, let me just open that tab here. Okay, so let's get started. So let's just make a simple text-based game. So let's just make something simple here. So, do title game. We'll just have it like game. We'll have the color. Now, if you don't know like what the color does, basically, open command prompt. If you type help color, this means the background and this means the text. So if I want a red background with gray text, I'd put in 4/8, and I'm just putting an F0, which would be bright white text and a black background. So there we go, and now we're just gonna start off by doing kind of like a text-based game. So let's do like welcome, choose an option. Okay, so let's have like something like a menu right here where you can simply like log in. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look when you pull it up, and like right here we'll be able to log in and /register. I don't even suck yet typing today. And right here we'll have like a help and like a about, something like that will do fine. Okay, so let's run through the code. Let's say you're new and just want to make a game. Well, let's run through this. So, at echo off, what does that mean? Well, if we didn't have that there, I'll just show you a quick example. So let's say we say just a bunch of stuff and a bunch of lines. So go. Okay, so and a bunch of crap. Okay, so yeah, we have all this crap here. Now let me just okay, so let's just save this and see what happens if we don't have the echo off. So yeah, let's just say we don't have the echo there. Okay, so yeah, I'll just call it new 3. Now let's go to open new 3. What the heck? We get like C user sounds desktop title test. Like, what the heck? We don't want that. We don't want it to just show up clearly. So if we put at echo off, save that, minimize, we get just clearly printed letters here. So yeah, that's why we always need that. So yeah, now this is just simply your title and the color. And now here's the menu that's going to show up. So how do we actually make this menu work? So let's say we enter option 1, it actually does something. How do we make this menu work? Well, we're going to do something like set /p and do opt and then equals. Make sure the equals isn't spaced, it's like right after it. Let's do option. And now if we do if %opt percent equals 1, go to 1. So let's run through what's going on here. So opt stands for option. Now if percent option, so one of these options, so if I enter 1, it's going to go to 1. It's pretty basic, but I'll explain it as we go on. So we're going to do this 3 times because we got 3 things to enter. So do 2 if percent tot percent 3. Okay, so how's this going to work? Well, if we do something like this, that's going to stand for 1. So if I enter option 1, it's going to go and read this code that's under 1. So let's say login register. In the next video, we will do the login and register systems. So we'll leave that behind. So let's have it 2. Let's just work on 2. Like, let's just make something like echo WASD to move, something like that. And always make sure you have a pause at the end, because if you don't, bad things will happen. Now we're gonna get a 3 and echo I made this. Of course we'll make this better later on, but this is just a quick show through. So there we go. Now let's just save this desktop as my game, or we'll just call it YouTube.bat. And always make sure you put a .bat at the end or it won't work. Save that. Now if you run it, now if I click 2, WASD to move. I made this. Yeah, so pretty simple. Awesome. So now we're into the bug fixing. Now we have a few bugs. Okay, so we press 2, WSD to move, and it says I made this. It's not supposed to unless we enter option 3. So how do we fix that? Well, all it takes is another line of code, just a simple exit. And that'll fix our bugs. Now if we save that and go to YouTube, if it would run, there we go. Click 2, WSD to move, and it exits. So there we go. That's the basic system of how this is gonna work. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next episode. Yeah, stay tuned for the next episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like if this helped you. And in the next video, we'll get to the login systems and all that fun stuff. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.